Alright, we are out at 11210 Grand Avenue, Kansas City, Missouri 64114. Alright, so we have the camera just inserted here past the clean out and the line that exits the back of the house. Oh, the bottom of the screen is not equal. The bottom of the pipe, it's wherever the water is or the light is the brightest. As you can see right now, the water's up on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. So the camera doesn't gyro. So right now, the bottom of the pipe is actually the top of the screen. I can flip the screen up and down, but so all this black pipe is bursting pipe. And it looks like we're coming up to the end of the bursting pipe and the beginning of the PVC. We're making a drop down towards the city main. And so the right side of the screen is the bottom of the pipe. And there is a, so that's the city main looking into. Okay, so now we're in the city main. Okay, we're on the lip of the main. Those are inside the main. Okay. So that would be a drop offset, where it looks like the tap is misaligned with the main. So those roots are inside the city main. Okay, so as we come back here, it looks like there's a maybe 6-inch, 7-inch piece of pipe. That would be the tap. So it'd be on the right side of the screen. So it appears that that lip you see is the actual the hole that's cut into the city main, and the tap is the space between that and this white PVC pipe, and it appears that the tap has shifted down about 1 inch off of its slot on the main, thus opening up a gap at the top, which is where those roots are curtaining in from. But they're actually growing down into the city main, which is a bigger void. Yep, they're coming in at the top. So this is located in the backyard, kind of in the back corner of the yard. This is the city main, and they're falling. So, alright. Hold on, lost signal here. There we go. This is the clean out we're going into in the basement.